Like the beekeeper cutting away the honeycomb to reveal the honey within, your word has that same effect in my life, God. You reveal all that is good. As in Psalm 119, verse 99, your testimonies are my meditation. Verse 103, how sweet you are, your promises to my taste, more than honey to my mouth. Nourishing, enriching, nutrient-filled, like the honey stirred into tea. You are the ingredient that soothes these times. God, you repair. I prepare for your reparation. I feel you already at work, making everything better. Everything so much better. 2 Corinthians 1, verses 3 to 4. Blessed be the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ, the Father of mercies, God of all comfort, who comforts us in all our affliction, so that we may be able to comfort others in affliction. Through the comfort which we ourselves are comforted by God. God, I am already feeling better, stronger. God, you promote healing. You are the cycle of healing. You bring comfort. While you are here, I know you will wrap these times up, as though with honey-drenched bandages, pure, antiseptic, holding us safely, protectively. Psalm 147:3. He heals the broken in heart and binds up their wounds. You are the ointment for these times, the balm, the salve, restorative. Receiving your word is like receiving the guest who brings the pot of honey to an afternoon garden party under the sun. Welcome, bringing the promise of goodness to come. As it says in Psalm 35, weeping may stay for the night, but joy comes in the morning. God, your present pours into these times like honey right now. You mend that which needs to be mended, melding together the parts of my life that got lost along the way. I know you will bring joy in the morning. I am looking forward to the simple pleasures you place in my life tomorrow. The blessings yet to come. I vow to live this life to the fullest, whilst walking in your way, squeezing out the gifts of each day with a grateful heart, like drawing juice from the freshest fruit. Lemon and honey for the soul. I feel you near me. I know things are improving. Things are better. Your presence like the breeze on a warm summer's day. It awakens me now, invigorates my senses, sweeping me up, commanding my attention, providing relief and reassurance, soothing and calming. I accept your word like honey on a spoon. God, you restore me.